visit many sites for today, and it is
And my dad also carried on the roof of people's house, and I couldn't find my mom, two younger sisters in the house. They didn't realize when the wave came, just stay in the first floor, but the waters carried my house, and I couldn't find it.
During these 4 days we got to visit many different places in North Sumatra, Aceh, Sabang Island, also Medan and Lake Toba. It was a very good opportunity to see all the natural beauty of North Sumatra, from the mountains to the beaches to the grasslands to the city as well. And we got to see a little bit of everything. We got to learn about the history of the region as well as the culture of the people here, and also all the natural beauty that the region has to offer. So I would say that it's a very good opportunity for people from Brunei to come and learn about Sumatra, because when people think about Indonesia, they only think about Java, and I think that there's so much more to Indonesia than just Java, and I would encourage people to come here to Sumatra, to North Sumatra, to discover all the things that the region has to offer.
from Vietnam. I work as a journalist in Vietnamnet newspaper. It's not the first time I go to Indonesia. I have been in Bali 5 years ago, but it was the first time I go to Aceh and Medan, and I've experienced so much about the culture, the food, and I met many people here, and I can feel how they are friendly, how they thoughtful, and I think I will, as every Vietnamese, we only know Indonesia through Bali, but after this trip, I think I will tell my friend, I will tell my friend, everyone I met that Indonesia have many different attractive destinations. Well, so last, I want to say thank you to Ministry of Tourism have invited us to join this farm trip.
Wonderful Indonesia!
I would like to say thank you for the Ministry of Tourism of Indonesia to invite me to participate this trip. Thank you for the convenient everything and help me everything for this trip. I will remember everything.
Wonderful Indonesia.
Wonderful Indonesia.